All right, guys, we're gonna get kind of a baseline here in the old 8.6. We're at Monticello Raceway in New York. We're on the old Michelin Primacy tires, so we got a nice level of good amount of grip, but also a good amount of fun to be had around these corners. I've already been in the new car a couple times, and you guys know my thoughts on this old 8.6. Really nice driver's car, slightly underpowered, but we still love it. Down into second. Super progressive, sounds good. Third. I do really like these Michelin Primacies. Allows you to move around a little bit on the track. So predictable, so easy to drive. Well, there's our baseline. You can get a pretty good feel for what the old car's like. Let's hop in a new GR86 and compare.
I think he's gonna miss this one. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get into the new 8.6. This has the Michelin Primacies. This is the base model. So very comparable to the GT86, the Hakone edition. All right, let's go for a drive, see what it's like comparatively. There is a track mode, but we're just going to start with traction and stability control completely off. So immediately you can notice a slightly different engine tone. And a whole lot more torque. Everything about this new 8.6 is more immediate, more buttoned down. Even though we have the same tires, there's a lot more grip here with this new car. They've tweaked the suspension, spring rates, stiffened the chassis. Brake pedal feels a little bit stiffer, a little bit sharper. It's a little bit of understeer, but you can easily control it with a little bit of trail braking or lifting off the throttle. Handling is beautiful. Shifter feels a little bit tighter, a little bit more direct. This is a really fun car. the less grippier Michelins, the 17s instead of the 18s. The premium package comes on 18-inch Pilot Sport 4s, which is still an all-season, but it's a high-performance all-season. Super controllable with the throttle. We've got some shift beeps. A lot of rotation on throttle. .228 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque. And you really do feel it. This car feels so much faster, so much more capable than the last BRZ. Upon first impressions though, I do think it has lost a little bit of character. Though it has more power, though it has more capability and torque, and it's just sharper overall. I like the sound of the last 8.6 a lot better. This does have a fake engine noise that's played through a speaker in the car. Luckily though, it is a dedicated speaker, so you could feasibly disconnect it or disable it. And you never know, Toyota may include a switch at some point to manually disable that if you want to, or a setting within the infotainment. So just a quick track drive in this car. We're also going to drive the automatic, and we're going to drive the premium package manual to see what that's like compared to this. This base model though, upon first impressions after driving all of them, is the most fun new 8.6 in my opinion, and it's all down to those Michelin Primacy tires, the Prius tires, which, as you guys know, if you've seen any of my videos, I've always really enjoyed driving on. All right guys, new 8.6, we'll leave it at that. Nicer interior. These cloth seats have a little bit more bolstering than the previous generation. We've got a fully digital gauge cluster here with a very cool startup graphic. The pistons kind of come together. Yeah, nice car.